Hello everyone. Today I'm going to draw Peppa Pig and her family decorating a beautiful Christmas tree. Let's get started. Start with Daddy Pig. He is on a ladder, putting the star at the top of the tree. Draw the ladder. I like to draw Peppa's family. Do you like the Peppa family? Now draw the ladder steps. Ladder have some steps. Let's draw Daddy Pig's eyes and smile. Daddy Pig wearing a glass. Now draw the arms, tail and his boots. Look, the twinkle star on center of the page. Now draw the George Pig. Start with his head, ears, eyes and the smile. Then add his dress, arms and the boots. Now draw the Peppa Pig with his head, ears, eyes and the mouth. Then add her dress, arms and her boots. Now draw the Mummy Pig, the same as Peppa Pig. I like to draw cartoons. Do you like the cartoons? Which cartoon do you like the most? Now let's draw big shining star at the very top. Draw tall Christmas tree. Look at the star. It's moving and moving to everywhere. I like twinkle star. Do you like it? Draw the tree trunk and the pot that supports it. Draw the wavy lines for the garlands. Make them zigzag across the tree. Look, again the star is moving. Now let's decorate the tree with the ornaments. Draw small circles all over the tree. Do you have a Christmas tree in your house? Who decorate the Christmas tree in your house? I like to decorate the Christmas tree. Do you like it? I like to draw Peppa's family. Do you like the Peppa family? And there you have it. You have successfully drawn the Peppa Pig.
It's coloring time.
Yellow color. Look, the stars are shining and blinking. Pink color. Look at the stars. The stars are moving. I like to color the Peppa's family. Do you like it? Look at the garlands. It's shining. Rose color. Brown color. Orange color. Red color. Look, again the star is moving to everywhere. Sky blue color. Cyan color. I love Daddy Pig. Do you like it? Brown color. I love to color the Christmas tree. Do you like it? Green color. Light green color. Multicolor to the ornaments. Which color do you like it? Color it. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support is more important. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Light orange color. And there you have it. You have successfully colored the Peppa Pig family.